Hi everyone, my name is Rishan. Today is the 8th of December 2024. I'll be going over my weekly option chain analysis for Tesla, and this week is for the upcoming expiry on the 13th. The max OI level, and this just a note, the week -1 or last week's values column here is actually this week from 2 weeks ago because I didn't make videos last week, so just keep that in mind. The max OI level has increased for both, that's positive. Quantity is higher for CE, that's positive. Change is higher for CE, that's positive. Short squeeze is higher for CE, that's positive. PCR is below 1, that's negative. Implied and historical volatility, oh wait, this is wrong. Implied volatility is higher, so that's negative. And historical volatility is lower, that's positive. RSI is higher, positive. No divergence, positive. ADX is higher, positive. ATR is higher, negative. Both EMAs are higher, that's positive. VWAP is higher, pivot point is higher, and the candlestick is bullish. That's 3 positives. The previous support was, the new support is 370. The previous, 2 weeks ago support was 330. The new resistance is 400, and 2 weeks ago's resistance was 350. And the overall prediction from the option chain is that Tesla goes up. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.